I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker.
And I'm Daniel with BFR Meats.
And we're up here in the mountains of Boone to tell you about some specially curated meat boxes that we have with BFR Meats to pair with our Carolina Cooker products.
So we created 7 curated meat boxes that are available exclusively on Carolina Cooker's website.
And while we're up here, we want to show you a little bit about the farm. So BFR Meats is a 5th generation family farm on the beautiful hillside of Watauga County. Let's go take a look at how y'all operate day to day.
Let's go.
All right.
We're a family-owned farm. Me and my wife, my son, daughter-in-law, and grandchildren run this farm. And we are doing this in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina on high country pasture that is a bit different than what you would see elsewhere in the state. Part of this land came from my great-great-great-grandfather who came up here in 1857 from Wilkes County and bought this place. And then the other part is a part that I bought from other family members from a different grandfather who bought this farm in the 1930s and fixed it up.
We're a diversified livestock operation. We have cows in Boone, and then we have pigs in eastern North Carolina. And it's very important and special to us, for one, because we get to carry on the legacy of generations before us. Second, because we get to do it as a family. I get to do it with my parents, I get to do it with my wife and our daughter.
It's just a special time. It just brings a warmness and a smile to my heart and to my face to know that family's nearby and we're looking out for each other.
At the end of the day, we love doing it together, and it's pretty awesome that we can do that. So we like to say that we are a conception to consumption based operation, and what that means is that we raise that beef all the way through from when it's conceived all the way to when we sell it to be consumed. And I think that's really important in our business because we know every part of that cow's life.
One of the things that we try to do that's unique to our farm is we carry our steers that are being harvested to a higher finished weight. For the first year and a half of their life, they're on exclusively grass, clover, forage hay. But then for the last 4 to 6 months of their life, they're on a special forage and grain mix that we put together for them, and that carries them to a higher finish weight, which means they have more marbling, which means you have more flavor. So we think that's what gives ours a really unique and very high quality flavor profile.
And so in our pork operation, we actually do the same thing we do in our beef operation. It differs a little bit because pigs are way different than cows, but we take the same concepts and theories and apply that to the pork. So being a beef and a pork farm, we have a wide array of products. Because we have so many different cuts, then we can better match the cuts to Carolina Cooker's cookware to give you a better experience.
I think in particularly local foods, people are looking to know the story of that product and how it goes back to where it actually comes from. And so we try to tell that story with accuracy. We try to represent ourselves as we are, and we want people to understand the importance of the story of that product and how it goes back to our farm, from conception to consumption. It's a wonderful idea for us because it helps promote our product, and hopefully a great deal for Carolina Cooker because it really complements what they're trying to do.
We're super happy with the product, and we hope you will be too.
Thanks so much.
Have a good one.
You have a good day too.